How to sign up to your Bitget account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to sign up to your Bitget application. So first thing first, just open up your Bitget application, and when you are into its home screen you should see something like this. You can just tap on this get started button over here to successfully start your sign up process, where you can easily sign up with your registered email address as well as your password. Or you can also use your phone number based on your country code and simply enter your password by following all of these mentioned criteria over here. And similarly, you can also actually sign up with your Google account, Apple account, or even Telegram account. So if you already have an account, you can just tap on this login button at the top right corner, and you can simply enter your register email or phone number and just follow the on-screen instruction to successfully log into your account. So make sure to follow all of this information over here. So let's say I want to create a new account, so I'll simply tap on create account, and I'll simply have to wait for a few seconds and just tap on sign up button once again after agreeing the terms and policy. And you might as well get a verification, so you can simply tap on confirm after filling out all of the captcha, and you can always enable fingerprint unlock. So for now I'll simply click on letter. So that is exactly how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.